Hey everyone, and welcome back. Before we start, I want to talk about what we are going to be building today. So we're going to be working on our own user flows. You'll have available assets over here in the assets page where you can use these different types of containers containing different types of like blocks of text, imagery. We have buttons and form elements and all that kind of stuff. So you'll have all this available to you to just use right out of the gate. I'll go into in a bit more detail on how to create some of these things really quickly, but that really shouldn't hold you up too much. The purpose really that we want to focus on is actually creating some really amazing user flows. So I'll be working on 3 different types. And these are the user flows that we're going to have at the end of our tutorial. And we are going to need a couple of things. So we'll have those assets and we're going to need a plugin. And that plugin over here is called Autoflow. Now you may be wondering, you can use these arrows that I've created, or you can go ahead and actually use that plugin called Autoflow. I'll make that link available for everyone, but this makes it really easy to just connect flows. So all you need to do to use Autoflow is hold or click on a device, click on another device while holding shift, and it's automatically going to create the arrow for you. So totally up to you what you want to do. If you want something a bit more like custom and different types of spacing, I mean, you have to go this route. But if you did want to create a user flow just really quickly, I would definitely suggest using this plugin. Super helpful, and it's going to come in handy in a lot of different areas in design. So let's get right into it and have some fun.